There's a really interesting stat that I came across from Airbnb and from some of their recent surveys and things that they promoted and published out there. One of the biggest requests is for king beds. So much so that a couple of months ago, they actually added it as an amenity on the section of your listing. It was never there before, and you had to put in your listing about king size beds. Now, Airbnb, to their credit, they have listened, they look at what the user data is, and they have added it in. If you just check the screen right now, you will see over that side that king bed is now an option to add in. Now, if you have got king size beds, and if you haven't been in your listing on Airbnb anytime soon, this is something that you need to do right now. So go to your listings, go into the actual property itself, hit the bedroom section, and again, you'll be able to tick king size beds, which is really important, because if this is what the people are asking for, if this is what the surge in demand is for, and you offer this, then you got to show it up, because if you do, then you will come higher up in the ranking. If you don't, then you are missing out on a potential amount of traffic that could come your way. Airbnb also recently said that bookings were up by 51%. That is ridiculous. The demand is so high. This is obviously because now more people are getting vaccinated, people are looking to travel, whether that's a staycation or those that are brave enough to head on a plane and travel elsewhere, then the demand is there. So if the demand is there, you have to be right now making sure that you are listed everywhere. Get listed everywhere, link it up to your PMS, link it up to your channel manager. If you're looking to find out what a PMS is or a channel manager is, go check out the Boostly back catalog, go to the YouTube channel, go watch the videos, type in Rentals United, type in boostly.co.uk/PMS, and you'll be able to find out so much more. But this is a little tip on, if you have them, go and update your amenities and your filters on Airbnb, because so many people are using them. And if you're not updating them regularly, then you're going to fall behind and you will not be visible. So this is how to add a king bed on Airbnb. It's just one of the little tips that I like to share with you to give hosts the tools, the tactics, the training on how to get more direct bookings. If you think that this isn't a direct booking tip, then what I would encourage you to do is go back 2 episodes and I'll show you that one amazing tip on how you can convert a OTA booking to a direct booking. My name is Mark Simpson. I'll be back tomorrow with another episode. If this is the first time that you're checking this out, please make sure you subscribe so you can get more. If you want to be access to our super exclusive WhatsApp group channel, go to boostly.co.uk/daily boost. All right, everybody, I'll be back tomorrow. See you then. Thank you very much for tuning in on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Spotify, Apple Podcasts, wherever it may be. Please do tell a host about what we're trying to do. As always, be proactive, don't be reactive, and don't build your house on someone else's land. Speak tomorrow.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.